Hello students. Now coming to the fifth question. In previous video we completed 4 questions of practice set 1.3. Now coming to the fifth question. Fifth question is what? Given quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. Diagonals are drawn. They are intersecting at point A. Still what given? In trapezium what? A pair of opposite sides are parallel. PQ is parallel to SR. Still what given? AR equal to phi into AP. If you take this AP to the left side denominator, what will get? Phi upon 1. AR upon AP equal to phi upon 1. Similarly, one more he given AS equal to phi into AQ. Take this AQ to the left side denominator. AS upon AQ equal to phi upon 1. That means these are the corresponding sides or not? AR upon AP and AS upon AQ is equal to phi upon 1. That means these corresponding sides are equal. Now to prove that what? SR equal to phi into PQ. Otherwise SR upon PQ equal to phi. Now coming to the solution. Solution is what? From the given what I will write? AR upon AP equal to AS upon AQ equal to phi upon 1. Now when parallel lines are there, PQ is parallel to SR. They intersecting lines are there at point A. They are intersecting at point A. They here what? Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Here I got corresponding sides are in proportion. AR upon AP, these two sides, and AS upon AP, side angle side, by SAS test of similarity. These two triangles are similar. Then what he asked? To prove that SR equal to phi into PQ by corresponding sides of similar triangles. So first we'll take two triangles. In triangle ASR and triangle AQP. Okay. Now already we know here this number 1. Write in that one number 1. AR upon AP equal to AS upon AQ. Actually this should be first. Okay. AS upon AQ equal to AR upon AP. This one given. From given only no. Then angle. Angle what? SAR. SAR is congruent to angle what? QAP. These are vertically opposite angles. Here side and here angle. By SAS test of similarity, triangle ASR is similar to triangle AQP. Okay. Now what to prove? The sides only know. SR equal to phi into PQ by CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. SR upon PQ equal to any all corresponding sides no. SR AR upon AP equal to AS upon AQ. This values what? These two values ASR AR upon AP value and AS upon AQ value. From condition 1 what? SR upon PQ equal, these are what? Phi upon 1. Cross multiply. SR equal to phi into PQ. Hence proved. This is your fifth question. In the same way, sixth question also. Sixth question also he given trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. They are intersecting. Diagonals are intersecting at point O. And still what given? AB is parallel. Side AB is parallel to side DC. Diagonals are intersecting at point O. AB, he given the values of the sides. AB equal to 20, DC equal to 6, and diagonals also OB. First of all, the two triangles should be similar by any one of the tests. AAA, AA, SSS, SAS. If they are similar, then corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. If they are in proportion, we can automatically find the OD value. Okay? Students, you can do it the sixth one, trapezium. First you take the any two triangles, triangle AOB, triangle COD, by AA test of the similarity, because vertically opposite angles are congruent and two parallel lines and transversal, their alternate angles are congruent. So by AA test of similarity, two triangles are similar. By CSST, corresponding sides are in proportion of similar triangles. There you can find the OD value, students. Now coming to the next question. Students, now question number 7. Question number 7, what is given? Quadrilateral ABCD is a what? Parallelogram. Point E is on side what? BC. Still what given? Line DE. This line DE intersects the ray AB at point what? T. This line DE intersects the ray AB at point T. To prove that what? DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. Okay? DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. That means here these are the two triangles. First we need to show that these two triangles are similar. After showing the similar, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. By this test we need any two conditions or three conditions. Two conditions means what? Two angles we want. So if you observe here, first we will write given. Given what? Given. That question as it is you can write now. Given quadrilateral. In all the questions, solution first given. Write down as it is whatever he given. Then to prove that. Then solution. Solution I am taken directly. It is a parallelogram now. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are what? Parallel. So here I am writing here AD is parallel to BC and AB here. What I will write? Segment AB is parallel to segment CD. Okay? And here A dash B dash T no. Segment AT is parallel to segment CD. If these two lines are parallel, here angles we will get. Okay? Angles, which type of angles? Angle here AT is parallel to CD. If these two are parallel and transversal, I will take TD. Here these two angles you see. Angle ATD is congruent to angle TDC. These are which type of angles? Alternate angles. Angle ATD is congruent to angle TDC. TDC. Okay? Otherwise you can write CDT. Here D dash E dash T. You can write angle ATD is congruent to angle ECDE. Okay, here reason D dash E dash T. This one number 1. Still here BC and DT are the intersecting lines. These are which type of angles? Vertically opposite angles. Angle BET is congruent to angle CED. Here reason vertically opposite angles. This one number 2. Here we not written the reason. Here these are alternate angles. Once again, listen carefully. Here it is ABCD is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. So first I written AB is parallel to DC. Here A dash B dash T. You can write here A dash B dash T. So here I written AT is parallel to DC, and here my TD is a transversal. TD is transversal. Here alternate angles are congruent. Angle ATD is congruent to CDT. So here also D dash E dash T. CD I written. Okay. And second one, vertically opposite angles are congruent. Take two triangles. Triangle BTE. Okay. And triangle CDE. We know the two conditions. One is alternate angles and second one is vertically opposite angles. So here angle. Here also I can change. Here I can write B. BTE is congruent to angle CDE. This one alternate angles. Okay. And second one angle BET is congruent to angle CED. Here vertically opposite angles are congruent by a test of similarity. Triangle BTE is similar to triangle CDE. Okay, students, here I not change. Here you need to write angle ATD is congruent to angle CDT. Here A dash B dash T. I can write BTE. If you are having doubt, angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE. This one. By a test of similarity, triangle BTE is similar to triangle CDE. Then after this, by CSST, corresponding sides, similar triangles. Here B, this one, here T. Now two triangles are there now. BE upon CE is equal to TE upon DE, cross multiply. BE into DE equal to TE into CE. Hence proved. Okay.